Okay guys. Ano to na? The chicken thigh.
Yeah, chicken thigh.
You-
Marinated with
teriyaki. Look at this. This is the teriyaki, Kikkoman teriyaki original and the soy sauce. And this is chicken thigh. And marinate na niya. Tapos i-smoke mo na.
olive oil. I put olive oil.
Put olive oil in it. Okay. What is that? Salt?
Little bit
Sugar? Little bit sugar?
So yan.
Salt with the olive oil. Then i-smoke mo na.
Ipasmoke ko.
Oh, okay.
I-marinate mo nga daw night.
Marinate overnight, then smoke.
Yan.
Alright. Okay guys, and we have also here itong baby back ribs ng anong buhatan mo sini?
Oh, barbecue.
Barbecue. Okay. Baby back ribs for a